You can continuously make $15, $80, or even $150 by simply clicking on advertising. All you have to do to get started is click on the adverts. That is the exact way that people from other nations can make money simply by clicking on advertising. Don't worry, this is fully legal, free, and available in every nation on Earth. All you require is a smartphone or a PC. In this video, I'll provide you with a ton of examples and proof that you can follow along with. If you stay with me through the end, I'll let you in on a little secret about how all of these people can earn up to $500 to $1,000. I've never heard anyone else talk about this, so make sure to listen carefully and don't miss anything. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Watch the video right away. The website I'll show you today, aticlicks.net, allows you to earn money simply by clicking on advertising. You won't make any money if you don't view this movie, and even if you do, it won't be possible for you to withdraw it because it will stay in your account. As a result, you must see the entire video to learn all the mistakes to avoid and how to withdraw your money correctly. Your entire online activity can start to generate extra income for you. You can participate in activities such as games, offers, surveys, sweepstakes, referring friends, and more. But I want you to focus on going to websites. This means that simply visiting various websites and clicking on various advertising might earn you actual money. They are very transparent about all of their profits on this website. Here, you may see the sums of their daily and weekly payouts. This website currently has around 43,000 registered users. They even listed everyone's identities along with their location and method of payment who had withdrawn money in the previous 25 days. When you cash out your money, you can choose from a number of payment methods including PayPal, bank transfers, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, Bitcoin, Neteller, and Perfect Money, to name a few. Simply put, there are a huge variety of payment options available globally. I'll demonstrate every payment proof to you. You can tell from the username portion that many people have already paid out their money, and they hail from different nations, as seen by flags next to each user's name. Many people from all over the world are now able to generate money online by just clicking on advertising. You can view the total amount paid here. Anyone can do this. It requires no prior knowledge, and I'll give you lots of examples of how to raise your income. You might earn millions of dollars using this platform. If you want to make an account, just click this button to sign up for free. You'll then be directed to this page where you just need to enter your full name, email address, a username of your choice, and a setup password. To confirm that you understand and agree to the terms of service, simply type in your birth date and place a birth and click the I am not a robot button. After that, press the register button. The first thing you'll notice when logging into your account is the leaderboard. They will make the biggest earner visible to you. As an illustration, consider this one, where you can see the username, the nation, and the total earnings of more than $1,500. This person has been an ATI Clicks member since April 2020. All of these people who come from different countries and are able to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually. Do things that you are also capable of doing. You can click on a variety of adverts when you log into your account, when banner ads being the most common. All of this banner advertising will be available for you to click on and continually earn money when we reach the appropriate part. If you decide to click on any of these banner adverts, they will direct you to a random website where you can perform this on your computer or mobile device. Stay on this site for 30 seconds. You don't need to click any buttons, register, or make any purchases. You only need to wait here for 30 seconds. One very important thing is to make sure you don't make this error. When they visit the website and click on the banner adverts, many visitors do nothing. They just stay there, making no further page browsing, because they ultimately lose money from these advertisements. Be careful to avoid making this mistake. Please look around the website. If you don't move, they'll think you're a robot and won't deposit any money into your account. So you need to look around. You must walk around, scroll, and stay on the website for a short while after entering it. You can just retain your position after making a small movement for 5 to 10 seconds before beginning to move again. You can convince them that you are a real person, not a robot, by doing that. After 30 seconds, they can credit money to your account. Simply click another banner once you're done with the first. There are countless different banner adverts on this page that you may click to start making money. Clicking on the daily fixed ads, which are all the ads you can click and stay on for around 10 seconds to receive payments, is the second way to make a payment. Many people are using this precise strategy to boost their revenue. I'll run through a number of their forums' payment proofs with you. You can click on any of these buttons: May 6 payment, payment number 3, payment, or my 12 payment, to go to a page where all the findings, proof, and testing models are given. For example, if you click on any of these adverts, you'll be led to this random website. People report their earnings in such enormous numbers on this website, and all they do is click on the daily fixed ads. You only need to remain motionless for 10 seconds to demonstrate that you are not a robot. You can receive money after the allotted 10 seconds have passed, and you can do this as often as necessary. I'd want to offer you another concept that hasn't been raised by anyone else. Make sure you practice this 5 times each day. You can increase your revenue and outnumber everyone else by 10 times if you complete at least 5 daily fixed ads each day. You may unlock the standard ads, which will pay you 10 times as much after completing 5 daily fixed ads. You must stay there for 30 seconds in order to be paid for any of these commercials. For instance, I'll be taken to another website if I click on this advertisement. Depending on the advertisements you're clicking, you may have to wait anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. Usually, the more money you make, the longer you wait. Once more, you'll be rewarded for spending 30 seconds looking around on this website. As I promised, I'll show you the most valuable extra tip. It will literally allow you to make hundreds of thousands of dollars on this website, and nobody else is talking about it. You can view the top earners as well as the overall earnings on this leaderboard. You may also see the referral earnings. Of the $1,400 referral commissions account for almost $1,000. That is the secret to comprehending how the highest earners are displayed on the leaderboard and how they are able to make the most money by only referring others to this website. You may have the similar outcome by directing them to ADI clicks. You can make money by clicking on advertisements on the one hand, and you can get extra income by sending people to this page. Please go to dimeforum.com, please. People discuss numerous facets of making money online in this section. There is a lot of action on this forum, and joining is free. Many individuals are posting on this topic since a lot of people visit the website to look for free information, which creates a ton of free traffic. If you click the search button on this website, which will send you here, and type in "How can I make money online?" you will find a number of people asking related queries. You can see that individuals are looking for ways to make money and asking in queries on this website. For instance, you may see that other users are publishing their answers in response to this query. If you scroll down below and search for the spot, you can enter a response to this post there. This is where you enter your referral code on the Dime Forum post. You merely need to keep doing this for dimeforum.com to receive a lot of referrals. You may simply link certain people looking to make money online to the ATI Clicks website. They will be grateful to you for introducing them to a site where they may make money online for nothing. This is a win-win situation. They gain financial literacy, and you may be compensated with a referral fee. This is one of the best methods for earning money on ATI Clicks other than through clicking advertisements. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.